Hello party people, welcome back. Happy New Year, Gail Davis. Today I'm going to talk about the essentials of making a bed, at least for me and my team and for my household. Full disclosure, I have 2 irons in my house. I use Rowenta irons. One is for, my clothing, period, that's it. The other is for bed linen and any type of linens in the house, tablecloth, napkins, all of that. So let me get started. One, I use a Rowenta iron. As soon as the sheets come out of the laundry, even though they're warm, I still iron them. I spritz them with a little bit of starch and with a little bit of lavender, which is in the same bottle. And I iron them out and I place the sheets on the bed. I make a perfect bed, and I'll do a video on that, a different video. Then once the bed is made, I'll see there's some wrinkles. Yes, I spend this much time doing this, but I go through it fast, and it's actually like my zone for me. The next thing I do is when I see some wrinkles, I take my good old-fashioned handy dandy Conair steamer, handheld steamer, and I steam out the the wrinkles, the creases, whatever has come to my eyesight that makes me twitch a bit. And then from there, once I'm done, the next step for me and final is to lint roll. I will lint roll the duvet cover. I actually do lint roll the headboard because there can be some dust if it's not the day that I vacuum it. And that's it. About my bed linen, a lot of people like 1,000 thread count. That belongs what people don't understand is 1,000 thread count belongs on a dining table. I know some people will be like, I've done bedding all these years, that's ridiculous. Well, it kind of is. I was trained and I was educated by Lupe of Casa del Bianco, who makes my bed linen for me, that 400 is fine. It's the thread. It's the thread count, yes, but it's also the threading that you use. So I do percale sheets, Egyptian cotton comb percale, and I normally don't go above 400, and if I do, it's just a fluke that it happened. But I really like how it feels against my skin. The sateen holds a little bit more heat, so that's good for like fall, winter, and that's, to maintain the heat to keep you a little bit warm at night. But I love percale year round, full disclosure. And that's it. So I just want to share a bit with you on that. If you have any questions about making a bed, or you want me to come by and show you, because yes, I am a freak. I do like making beds. I just love a great presentation. DM me. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Gail Davis Design. Thanks so much and have a great day.